And there will be no Lenten break for the National Police. This with all leaves of absences cancelled as the PNP went on alert for the Holy Week. This report.
The Philippine National Police has raised its alert status to heightened alert in all areas of Luzon and Visayas, while full alert is in effect in Mindanao region for today's start of the Holy Week. Deployment of their troops also starts today, particularly to different bus terminals, sea and airports, and to various local tourist destinations where tourists are beginning to arrive.
Nagbaba po kami ng kautusan. Heightened alert. Lahat po ng PNP units natin sa Luzon at saka sa Visayas. Mananatiling naka-full alert. Yung mga units natin sa Mindanao, kasama na po yung Special Action Force.
About 20,000 dedicated police personnel nationwide will be scattered to different areas of convergence that would perform rounds to visibility points. This does not include other police personnel that would keep an eye on anti-criminality, internal security operation, and will continuously perform election duties.
Kausap ko yung representative din ng Directorate for Operations, si Colonel Bergonia. Nationwide, papasok yan sa mga 20,000 nationwide. Ang PNP natin na talagang dedicated lang for visibility points.
And since it is now heightened alert, all leaves are automatically cancelled so that policemen could have a tight watch against criminals who are just waiting for the right opportunity to orchestrate their evil plan. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.